Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, you're here to listen a little bit about how MicroStrategy can help you build a business case to move to the cloud. And before we dive into some of the details, I want to talk a little bit about some of the trends in the industry that are driving organizations to move to the cloud. And the first one has really been this virtual wave that we all experienced in the last year. Massive shifts in technology trends were already happening, and then we were met with this global pandemic that really forced organizations to accelerate changes that they may have already been planning and adopt new technologies to help their employees stay productive. We've seen a big change where IT is becoming more strategic in these organizations, and CIOs are transitioning to really be digital transformation leaders. And, organizations that have been able to rapidly adapt to these technology changes have been, really quite successful in the last year, whereas some of their peers that are that have been less inclined to adopt new technology have fallen behind. And, in 2020, we saw every single one of these trends continue to accelerate. We looked at data from a really interesting McKinsey study, and it showed that as organizations were forced to respond to the challenges presented by COVID-19, they really had to sort of increase the adoption of digital technologies and the cloud in order to be successful. So first thing is that more organizations moved to the cloud. 1/3 of companies accelerated cloud migration projects. Not only did they move these projects forward, they actually completed these projects significantly faster than they ever thought possible, 24 times faster on average. Lastly, when we look at the results of these projects, executives that undertook these migrations reported 2x better results in terms of revenue than their counterparts. So really, 2020 was the year of the cloud, and I think we'll continue to see that trend move into 2021. Next thing is, it's moving to the cloud. It's not all about cutting costs. We really have some interesting data here, but first, you can see that in this study, only 10% of companies in 2020 reported that cost was a major reason for moving to the cloud. The other reasons they're moving to the cloud is that it's a true competitive differentiator. You're either doing it to stay competitive or you see it providing you competitive advantage in the market. And this, again, has been a big change. If we look back to 2017, nearly half of all respondents cited cost as a major reason for moving to the cloud. But I think now we all realize the cloud can not just help us save money, it can help us be more productive, help us be more agile, and help us improve the ROI of all of our applications. So, while cost management and optimization is still important, recent challenges have really demonstrated a growing importance to focus on the strategic value for business. We want to make sure we're looking at, a number of different pillars, like helping you reduce costs being one of them, but increase the impact of your applications, help you, drive towards new markets, help make sure that every application you build has enhanced ROI. And now what we want to do is take a look at some real life customer examples across these three key areas. The first one, let's take a look at reducing costs. We have many customers that use the dynamic scaling capabilities of the cloud to help them only pay for what they need when they need it. And that can lead to really significant infrastructure savings, just like you see in this example here. Next, though, we can see that through increased agility, we can enhance the impact our applications have for our business and help you deploy applications faster, help you deploy resources to modernize existing applications, and also, see significant performance improvements when you're migrating your applications to the cloud. And all of these combine together to really help you drive bigger impact into your business. The combined effects of improved performance, reduced costs, and increased agility have led to a number of customers seeing significant increases in the ROI of their applications and significant real savings to the business, along with all the other benefits that we already discussed. You can see here, we have an organization that's not only getting better performance, they're getting new applications to market, and they're realizing significant cost savings as part of their move to the cloud as well. As you'll learn throughout the channel today, these are really the type of value that you should expect to get when you adopt the MicroStrategy Cloud Service. So, I'm going to hand it over to my colleague, Adrian Gonzalez, and he's going to talk about how the MicroStrategy 2021 platform is really the platform built for the cloud and is the platform that'll help you meet all of your objectives when you start to move through 2021. Adrian?
Thank you, Chris. Hi, thank you, everyone. As Chris just mentioned, it's not just about cutting costs, but how to enhance the return on your MicroStrategy investment and providing maximum benefits to your organization. For that, we should talk about what MicroStrategy Cloud is bringing to the table in MicroStrategy 2021. But first, let's take a quick recap of some of the incredible features that culminate in the latest version of our platform. Our entire tech team has made an incredible job by enhancing the experiences of all the different parts of the platform. And we have really anchored those experiences on bringing modern features to our customers. Features such as hyperintelligence, library, and dossier that would allow for enhanced interactions with the platform, resulting in fast and elegant insights of your data. Second, with an open approach to provide the most modern architecture with multiple cloud providers using cutting-edge cloud services. This openness is what allows our MicroStrategy Cloud implementations to seamlessly integrate with on-premise data sources and other existing legacy assets in our customers' IT ecosystems. All of these while maintaining the enormous differentiator that our thousands of customers have valued so much over the years, true enterprise capabilities that allow us to serve trusted, secure data to tens of thousands of users. And we do this at scale and efficiently for hundreds of customers using our cloud technologies, allowing them to extract the highest value from their MicroStrategy investment. This evolution of our application is reflected in a platform that allows our customers to focus on what our customers do best, which is creating great analytics content and extracting value of their data ecosystems. All of that without having to be concerned with any of the administration and monitoring responsibilities of a traditional enterprise application. With our cloud solution, you get multiple engineers certified not only on MicroStrategy, but also with deep expertise in cloud technologies and native services from cloud market leaders such as AWS and Azure. These engineers understand at a deep level the integration needed between MicroStrategy technology and the cutting-edge cloud services needed to run your implementation. These engineers are trained quarterly, certified annually, and you also get a dedicated team member that will be your main point of contact. This person is your advocate within the organization and will make sure that your implementation always runs at a high performance level. Another great benefit is the proactive performance management, tuning, and optimization that your people no longer need to do to keep your system running smoothly. And this is complemented with routine service reviews that would allow us to gather feedback and provide performance reviews and guidance to our customers. The value of our MicroStrategy Cloud Service, which is a fully mature platform as a service solution, bears the fruit of a decade-long commitment to our investments in cloud on behalf of our customers. Since then, our cloud platform has evolved into a state-of-the-art managed solution in which we perform operational tasks such as availability, scalability, and performance optimization, building and maintaining your system infrastructure, annual security certifications and routine maintenance, 24/7, 365 days environment monitoring and alerting, platform and application software upgrades, and user management. This, in turn, will allow you to focus on activities like finding new use cases for your business and enhancing the collaboration with key stakeholders. With our service, you will always be leveraging the latest features of our platform, resulting in modern analytical applications. While you reap these significant business benefits, you can also expect significant savings that will be reflected in the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. These aspects, along with our 24/7 monitoring and support, continuous improvement investments, and the backing of a team of experts from multiple internal organizations, guarantee that the expectations of your MicroStrategy implementation will be completely satisfied. As part of the enhancements that we provide with the process of managing the MicroStrategy implementation, we also provide environment management, security certifications, and software updates. We also complement these with an SLA of 99.9%, making sure that your implementation will always be available. As part of the process enhancements, we also provide with weekly vulnerability scans, penetration testings, and security patches. while also taking responsibilities such as multiple backups of your implementation and MicroStrategy artifacts and helping you strategize around disaster recovery. One of the main value propositions is the responsibility that we take on the quarterly updates and yearly upgrades of the MicroStrategy platform. This is certainly one of the main benefits that our customers take from our offering so that they can focus on delivering business value to their users without being concerned of these administrative tasks. With that, I would like to pass it to Roshan, who will help us explain more about the tech and security sides of this paradigm that the cloud service helps you balance out.
Thank you, Adrian. Hello, everyone. We have created technology automation to migrate our MicroStrategy customers from on-premise to the cloud. Cloud helps eliminate hardware, capital expenditures, decrease operational overhead for infrastructure and data center management. This allows enterprises to reallocate their employees to focus on analytics in their core business. We have created automation capabilities that we will explore in subsequent sessions in this channel, both to help you migrate over seamlessly to the cloud and to apply regular software updates to stay current. Both of these allow you to continue development, avoid delays, and avoid disrupting your users. We have a highly optimized architecture with 10,000 deployments a month with constant performance and security and stability benchmarking that ensure that we provide our customers with the best-in-class, stable, and resilient software. We have on-demand scalability built on the AWS and Azure platforms, and we have best security practices implemented for high availability and cost. In the next section, we will explore some of these security enhancements in detail. I want to take a few minutes to speak specifically about security, as this is something that makes a huge difference to our customers. As part of our decade-long commitment to improving security, there has been a laser precision focus on this domain. From my perspective, it has delivered critical value to our customers. We believe we have best-in-class security posture with robust investment over the last decade, starting in 2014 with SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI compliance frameworks available as part of our cloud offering. In 2015, we improved our posture by implementing a security incident and event management solution. In 2016, we added a 24/7 security operations center. In 2017, for our international customers, we achieved the ISO 27001 certification. As privacy became more important, in 2018, we were also compliant with all of the international privacy laws, such as GDPR, and recently we have added distributed denial of service and web application firewall protection for all of our cloud customers as part of the cloud offering. Moving forward, we will continue leveraging best security practices and continue offering our customers with best-in-class cloud security and compliance frameworks. This comprehensive security posture, plus the savings realized from the prepaid hosting programs, make the MicroStrategy Cloud the most cost-effective offering, as these savings are passed on to our customers. Stay tuned in this channel to learn more about the programs, and now I will hand it over to Chris.
Thanks, Roshan. So now you've heard a lot about what goes into the MicroStrategy platform in terms of technology, people, processes, and let's now talk a little bit about how does this all come together into the solution that you can take advantage of. And really, what are you getting? You're getting, always the latest version of the MicroStrategy platform run by the most, highly qualified team of services professionals. And on top of that, you're going to get access to brand new software, things that you don't have access to today, potentially, like MicroStrategy Collaboration and our new MicroStrategy application that you can learn about in sessions that are happening today. And lastly, we're going to give you free education passes to make sure that your MicroStrategy team, your MicroStrategy people can be certified on the latest version of our product and have access to the entire breadth of our education offering. And then on top of that, we actually have gone through and analyzed data across our entire cloud customer base. And we've put together a really comprehensive comparison of costs across you trying to run MicroStrategy on-premise versus taking advantage of our cloud service. And we are happy to sit down with your team and build this business plan with you. It includes a 5-year cost analysis with an ROI model to show exactly where your savings are going to come from and how much that initial investment is going to be in migrating to the MicroStrategy Cloud. At the end of this, you'll get a projected payback that, in almost all cases that we've looked at, show a full return on your investment within 18 months of your decision to move to MicroStrategy Cloud. And so that leads us to, what is our offer to you? We are going to give you a no risk option to move to MicroStrategy Cloud. We're willing to stand up a MicroStrategy environment on your behalf. We'll help move your existing production environment to the MicroStrategy Cloud. And we will provide the services to help do the testing and migration that needs to be done as well. We're going to get this up and running for you so that you can really try before you buy. And if as part of this, we're also going to give you that custom business case to help fund the migration to the MicroStrategy Cloud. If you're interested in taking advantage of this offer, I would invite you to go ahead, contact your account team today. And with that, we're also going to open it up to questions if you have any questions about the material that we've gone through throughout this session.